Hello everyone, and welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to block someone on Facebook Messenger. Blocking a contact is a quick way to stop unwanted messages or calls and maintain your privacy. Let's go through the steps together. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Next, tap on the Messenger icon in the top right corner. From your chats, select the contact you want to block. Now, open their profile by tapping on their name. Scroll down and tap the block option. Choose block messages and calls. Finally, confirm by tapping the block button again. And that contact will no longer be able to message or call you on Messenger. And that's it. You've now successfully blocked someone on Facebook Messenger. This ensures they can't disturb you with messages or calls, giving you more control over your conversations and privacy. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like the video, share it with friends, and subscribe to the channel for more Facebook tips and privacy guides.